What's up, guys? So I'm here at work again. There's not much to do. I was on my phone for a little bit, but I figured I'd just get on here because I've been meaning to make a video. I was gonna make one yesterday, but it was too late, and I was working on changing out my makeshift sink stand, table, whatever you want to call it, because I had ordered a stainless steel one from Amazon, and I was busy putting that on. There was a lot of little minor details that needed some adjustment, so today even I need to go to Home Depot and get new plumbing for it and hook it back up so that it doesn't look as bad as it does. But I mean, other than that, it's functional. Well, it does leak, but that's why I'm gonna fix it later. Anyways, this weekend back since Detroit, because I was in Michigan, Detroit / Ohio for all of last week, and I got back this past Friday night. I've had an amazing time back since I've been back home. I think my peak. Hold on. I think my peak for today was, or not today, for the weekend was setting up the I lost my train of thought. What was I saying? Sorry, it's because a text message came in. I don't just lose it normally, just out of nowhere. No, my peak for this weekend was, I mean, well, some mixture of things, but the highlights were obviously seeing the baby, spending time with her, going out to eat. I was gonna say just the two of us, but really just the three of us. Me, the baby, and my girl. And last but not least, installing the new sink. You know, our kitchen has not. How do I say this? It did have shelves, it did have cabinets, but we since then took it off since we moved in here because it was just all molded. It had rat poop everywhere. They were outdated. It looked nasty. It really did. And I ended up tearing majority of the sheetrock off in the kitchen to not only replace the insulation and clear the rat poop, but I added new outlets, brand new lines, and I'm sure I'm missing a few things. Like I started installing a refrigerator, water tap line, and anyways, so since then I've pretty much removed everything, and there's no cabinets, there's no drawers or anything in the kitchen. So we've been using just a regular foldable table and that makeshift wooden sink holder. And obviously some of it has to do with procrastination, some of it has to do with, just leaving things on the back burner. But I mean, to be honest, in all honesty, it's just one of those things that it's gonna take me a while. There's Throughout the 5 years I think I've lived here, there's just been more, or not more, but there's been other things that take my attention. Of course, there was the car when I did the free rides. There was the pool, there was the dog, there was the baby, there was the wiring I was rerunning for the whole house, um, the truck now. I mean, there's so much. And I've come to learn my strengths and weaknesses when it comes to working on things. And it's not to say that I can't do it, but it's just one of those things where we're just gonna deal with the way things are, but just make it better, which is why I got that new sink. But it's just one of those things where I'd rather wait until I have the opportunity, financial opportunity to, hire on somebody and get all that done while, I do other things. But no, other than that, that's all I got. I'm not even gonna bring up the truck no more after this video because I don't know when I'll get to it, to be honest. But I guess I'm just gonna hang around in here and I don't know, figure out how to spend my time here. I'll catch y'all later.